So over here you can see that I am in my cut page right now, and if I want to, let's say for example, keep a video on my timeline, I can click and drag around a video clip of my choice and then simply drag it in. But once I do that, what happens with this particular video clip is that both the audio and the video gets placed in the timeline, as you can see, just like this. But sometimes what you may want is you just may want to add in the video or just the audio. So in that case, what you can do is on the cut page itself, this is the edit page, as you can see, but on the cut page you can see that these are these buttons right here, so which allows you to select out audio only or video only as well. So let me just go around and delete it. And if I were to go around and select video only, now what happens is that if I were to drag in the same video clip right here, then I only get the video and no audio. You don't see something beneath it just like a while ago. And if I were to go around under the edit mode, you don't see anything in the audio. Similarly, you can go around and select audio only over here as well. Click and drag around and then bring in audio only over here as well. And you can see that now the video and audio are brought in separately right there. And that is how you can see that you can just go around and bring in audio only or video only. And if I were to click on one of it and then unmark it, then if I were to drag in, now what happens is that I bring in the audio and video both together. As you can see, these are individual, but you can see that these are linked together just like that. And that is how you can work around and then bring in video only and then audio only. And also you can go around and set in the in point and out point right here as well, for just, let's say for example, and just like that, only the selected portions, audio right here or video, will pop up right there. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.